Meantime, lawsuits challenging Governor Youngkin's executive order keep growing. The order allows parents to opt out of mask mandates, but a dozen families with children who have special needs say removing masks in schools violates their children's civil rights. We verify.
Our sources, the U.S. Department of Education, Macaulay Porter, Governor Glenn Youngkin's spokesperson, and Caitlin Banner with the Washington Lawyers Committee.
This law really does prevent them from complying with their legal obligations.
Attorney Banner reacting to the news that the Virginia General Assembly passed legislation making masks optional in schools. The move comes just weeks after the Washington Lawyers Committee, the Disability Law Center of Virginia, the ACLU, and two private firms filed a joint lawsuit on behalf of 12 families of special needs students.
Lifting the mask mandates, especially right now during times where Virginia is still in high transmission of COVID, prevents these students from being able to go to school, from being able to play with their friends, and really from being able to access their education.
The lawsuit argues the governor's executive order not only puts these vulnerable children in danger, it violates the American with Disabilities Act and Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act.
This is an incredibly hard decision for parents.
Attorney Banner says the students suffer from conditions like cancer, cystic fibrosis, and other chronic lung diseases that make them more susceptible to COVID-19.
Our clients do wear masks when they're in school, but that's not enough. And their doctors have all recommended that when they are in school, they need to have other people masked in order to protect them.
According to this Department of Education memo on protecting students with disabilities, the Office of Civil Rights enforces both the ADA and the Rehabilitation Act to prevent people with disabilities from being excluded or denied benefits of participating from any program receiving federal financial assistance.
Regardless of the state law or of the executive order, school districts across Virginia still need to be able to comply with the Americans with Disabilities Act.
Governor Youngkin's spokesperson Macaulay Porter did not get back to us about this lawsuit. With your Verify, I'm Delia Gonsalves.
Spokesperson for the governor has previously said he doesn't view this as a pro or anti-mask debate, rather a way to acknowledge parents know what's best for the interest of their children's health. Our Verify team works to give you the facts about masks and the COVID-19 pandemic. If you have questions, email them to verify@13newsnow.com and we'll look into them for you.